Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to screen share Google Slides in Zoom and still see your presenter notes using the full 2026 setup. This is one of the best tricks for teachers, presenters, or anyone who wants to speak confidently without revealing their notes to the audience. So yeah, start by opening your browser, heading to google.com, signing in, and opening the Google Slides presentation you want to use. When your file opens, click the little arrow next to Slideshow and choose Presenter View. Google Slides will open two separate windows, one with your full screen slides and one with your private notes. Move the Notes window to a place where only you can see it, either on the side of your screen or on a second monitor if you have one. Now open Zoom and start or join your meeting. When you're inside, click the Share Screen button. In the list of options, don't share your entire desktop. Instead, select only the window that shows your full screen slides. This is the key step. When you share just the slideshow window, the audience sees the presentation cleanly, while your notes stay hidden in a separate window that only you can view. Once you start sharing, keep your presenter notes window open and visible to you. It includes your notes, a timer, and the navigation buttons for controlling your slides. You can read your notes comfortably while presenting without interrupting your flow or giving anything away to your audience. Before presenting in a real meeting, it's a good idea to test this setup in a Zoom practice session. Make sure the right window is shared, your notes are private, and everything runs smoothly. And that's it. That's how to screen share Google Slides in Zoom and still see your presenter notes using the 2026 method. It's simple, clean, and helps you deliver smoother, more confident presentations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next